Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this week's beer tasting video. I am Andy, your guide today from Rolling Hops Beer Tours, coming at you today with a great beer from a newer craft brewery in Toronto, but a really good one. So we have Park Brewery, which is on the west side of Toronto. For those of you who are not from Toronto, Park, it's kind of like the city's Central Park. It's kind of the main large park, a little bit on the west side, but it's massive. It's got a little zoo. It's a great place to go on a Sunday walk, lots of family activities. Park Brewery is a little bit further north. It's actually not that close to the park itself, but it is kind of north. We have a small batch that they've named Bit of Blighty, which is a British or English pale ale. A bit of Blighty, I really like that name. That's a really kind of an old expression that I don't think is used too much anymore. Blighty is a word that British people use that means Britain. That word kind of got associated with Brits abroad, British soldiers often getting something British sent to them when they were serving in South Africa or in France during the First World War. A bit of Blighty, a bit of home, a bit of Britain. So this obviously being a British pale ale, it's not like an Indian pale ale, it's a little bit different. It's not so hop focused, it actually has balance between its hops and its malt. So I'm gonna take a wee little sip. So that's super nice. Some real nice battles going on between these sort of dessert tones like cookie, biscuit, bread pudding, and then some nice hop notes that kind of balance it out with some bitterness. It's a really nice small batch. So I definitely give this my recommendation. Awesome. I'm a big pale ale fan. English style pale ales, British style, they're quite lovely. It's really an interesting balance, and you gotta love the color. It's just so warm and decadent. Thank you very much for joining us this week. Make sure to stay tuned for next week when we'll be showcasing another one of Toronto's wonderful beers from one of its craft breweries. All right, thank you so much. And remember, craft beer is here.